51. Which court ordered the cancellation of the passport of former Negro's Oriental Representative Arnolfo Tevis Jr. on February 9, 2024? A. Sandigambian. B. Manila Regional Trial Court. C. Supreme Court. D. Court of Appeals. Answer: B. Manila Regional Trial Court. 52. What significant legislation did President Marcos sign into law on February 26, 2024? A. Republic Act No. 11976. B. Republic Act No. 11981. C. Republic Act No. 11983. D. Republic Act No. 11984. Answer: B. Republic Act No. 11981, the Tatak Pinoy Law. 53. What international organization declared a red notice against former Negro's Oriental Representative Arnolfo Tevis Jr. on February 28, 2024? A. ASEAN. B. Interpol. C. United Nations. D. World Health Organization. Answer: B. Interpol. 54. Which region declared a state of calamity on February 26, 2024, due to agricultural damage caused by the El Niño phenomenon? A. Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao. B. Zamboanga City. C. Occidental Mindoro. D. Antique. Answer: A. Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao. 55. What was the primary reason for the dismissal of Assistant Solicitor General Derek Portolano on February 27, 2024? A. Involvement in the pork barrel scam. B. Sexual harassment of legal interns. C. Misuse of government funds. D. Election fraud. Answer: B. Sexual harassment of legal interns. On February 22, 2024, which company was awarded a 17.9 billion pesos contract for providing voting machines and logistics for the 2025 general election in the Philippines? A. Smartmatic. B. Miru Systems. C. Comelec. D. South Korean firm. Answer: B. Miru Systems. 57. What significant event occurred on February 20, 2024, marking a first for an Asian country? A. Ratification of a new constitution. B. Implementation of a new healthcare law. C. Ratification of the Violence and Harassment Convention, C-190. D. Signing of a new trade agreement. Answer: C. Ratification of the Violence and Harassment Convention, C-190. 58. Who was convicted by the Supreme Court on February 16, 2024, for serious dishonesty related to the purchase of used helicopters? A. Leocadio Santiago Jr. B. Janet Lim Napoles. C. Romulo Neri. D. Jinggoy Estrada. Answer: A. Leocadio Santiago Jr. 59. What incident occurred on February 14, 2024, resulting in casualties during an Ash Wednesday Mass? A. Church balcony collapse. B. Typhoon. C. Landslide. D. Earthquake. Answer: A. Church balcony collapse. 60. On March 5, 2024, what incident occurred involving the Philippine Coast Guard and China Coast Guard vessels? A. Collision of BRP Sindangan with a China Coast Guard vessel. B. Clash over territorial waters. C. Joint maritime exercises. D. Peace negotiations. Answer: A. Collision of BRP Sindangan with a China Coast Guard vessel. 61. Which law did President Marcos sign into effect on March 11, 2024, allowing students with unpaid school fees to take examinations? A. Republic Act No. 11981. B. Republic Act No. 11982. C. Republic Act No. 11983. D. Republic Act No. 11984. Answer: D. Republic Act No. 11984, the No Permit, No Exam Prohibition Act. 62. What significant decision did the Supreme Court release on March 6, 2024, related to Philippine offshore gaming operations, POGOs? A. Authorization of additional POGO licenses. B. Dismissal of POGO operations. C. Enforcement of stricter regulations on POGOs. D. Reaffirmation of POGO operations under PACR. Answer: D. Reaffirmation of POGO operations under PACR. 63. On March 13, 2024, a raid on a POGO in Bamban, Tarlac, led to the rescue of how many individuals suspected of criminal activities? A. 371 Filipinos and 432 Chinese nationals. B. 150 Filipinos and 250 Chinese nationals. C. 500 Filipinos and 300 Chinese nationals. D. 600 Filipinos and 400 Chinese nationals. Answer: A. 371 Filipinos and 432 Chinese nationals. 64. What did the Supreme Court rule on March 20, 2024, regarding legal officers of local government units? A. Ban on legal officers' involvement in politics. B. Restriction on legal officers' salaries. C. Prohibition on legal officers representing officials in cases involving the Ombudsman. D. Introduction of mandatory legal training for government lawyers. Answer: C. Prohibition on legal officers representing officials in cases involving the Ombudsman. 65. What major infrastructure project began construction on March 21, 2024? A. Skyway Stage 4. B. Pangasinan Link Expressway, PLEX. C. Manila-Clark Railway. D. Cebu-Cordova Link Expressway. Answer: B. Pangasinan Link Expressway, PLEX. 66. On March 22, 2024, where was Arnulfo Teves Jr. arrested? A. Davao City. B. Cebu City. C. Dili, East Timor. D. Jakarta, Indonesia. Answer: C. Dili, East Timor. 67. What outbreak was declared in Bangsamoro by the Regional Ministry of Health on March 21, 2024? A. Dengue fever. B. Measles. C. Zika virus. D. Ebola. Answer: B. Measles. 68. What infrastructure division did President Marcos authorize through Republic Act No. 11993 on April 5, 2024? A. Dividing Cebu City into new barangays. B. Splitting Davao City into smaller districts. C. Dividing Caloocan's Barangay Bagong Silang. D. Separating Manila into smaller administrative units. Answer: C. Dividing Caloocan's Barangay Bagong Silang. 69. What action did the Philippine Coast Guard vessel BRP Bagakay face on April 30, 2024? A. Attacked by pirates. damaged in a collision. C. Involved in a rescue operation. D. Damaged in a water cannon attack. Answer: D. Damaged in a water cannon attack. 70. What prompted the state of emergency declaration in Cagayan de Oro on May 2, 2024? A. Flooding. B. Earthquake. C. Water shortage. D. Power outage. Answer: C. Water shortage. 71. Why was Cebu City Mayor Mike Rama placed under a 6-month preventive suspension? A. Corruption charges. B. Administrative abuse. C. Election fraud. D. Drug trafficking. Answer: B. Administrative abuse. 72. What was the outcome of the trial involving Ominta Ramado Marute? A. Acquitted of all charges. B. Sentenced to life imprisonment for financing terrorism. C. Extradited to another country. D. Granted asylum. Answer: B. Sentenced to life imprisonment for financing terrorism. 73. What significant legislative action did President Marcos take on May 22, 2024? A. Signed into law the Philippine Ecosystem and Natural Capital Accounting System Act. B. Signed into law the National Health Insurance Act. C. Signed into law the Renewable Energy Promotion Act. D. Signed into law the Universal Basic Income Act. Answer: A. Signed into law the Philippine Ecosystem and Natural Capital Accounting System Act. 74. Why was Davao del Norte Representative Pantaleon Alvarez censured by the House of Representatives on May 22, 2024? A. Corruption charges. B. Sedition. C. Drug trafficking. D. Electoral fraud. Answer: B. Sedition. 75. Which two presidents met in Malacanang on June 3, 2024, marking their first ever bilateral meeting? A. President Marcos and President Biden. B. President Marcos and President Zelensky. C. President Marcos and President Macron. D. President Marcos and President Xi Jinping. Answer: B. President Marcos and President Zelensky. 76. What does Republic Act No. 11997, signed into law by President Marcos on June 3, 2024, establish? A. New tax regulations. B. Fixed allowances for public school teachers. C. Healthcare benefits for senior citizens. D. Environmental protection policies. Answer: B. Fixed allowances for public school teachers. 77. What was declared in Canlaon and La Castellana, Negros Occidental, on June 4, 2024, due to the Mount Canlaon eruption? State of emergency. B. Curfew. C. State of calamity. D. Martial law. Answer: C. State of calamity. 78. Which municipality was declared free from the Abu Sayyaf group by the government? Ilantawan, Basilan. B. Lamitan, Basilan. C. Marawi, Lanio del Sur. D. Holo, Sulu. Answer: A. Lantawan, Basilan. 79. What was inaugurated in Quirino, Isabela, on June 10, 2024? A. A new public hospital. B. A hydroelectric power plant. C. The country's largest solar pump irrigation project. D. A wind farm. Answer. C. The country's largest solar pump irrigation project. 80. What does Republic Act No. 12,000, signed by President Marcos on June 13, 2024, recreate? A. The Visayas region. B. The Negros Island region. C. The Davao region. D. The Mindanao region. Answer. B. The Negros Island region.